Just doesn't have the ground clearance, does it?
Oh, it's like a little banking for those burnout cars. Right
Yeah,
there.
it is.
Wait, this is the other banker and the other side. We'll get that.
That ground is so loose.
Yeah.
See if you can do a speed run over the smooth parts.
I want to try that.
The dirt clods are so big. Maybe over at the other side of the construction site. What do you think?
You mean that other dirt one?
No, over here.
That I wanted
Over
to
here.
go with the buddy, but you said no?
No, over on this construction site. Over there.
Which one?
Over this way. Just drive over here.
You mean that?
No, over here. See?
Oh, that was actually really cool. Well, I mean, I want to climb a tall mountain.
Well, there's a good spot right here.
Not a hard one, just a tall one.
So many sticks and stuff.
Don't run into the excavator.
Get it?
Oh, you got stuck on a stump. I actually want to try from the other side.
Which side?
The other side of this little thing.
That's a lot of soft dirt.
Yeah. That'd be fine if I did it. So I'm going to go downhill first. Oh, yeah. Let's do it. I was stuck. I'll go to the other side. Okay, it's stuck. Still
The
stuck.
dirt's so loose.
Oh, I'm sinking. Oh, that is sunken. Look how deep that went.
Whoa, it made big divots. This is too soft. I don't think that's
You know
going to work
what?
too good. What?
Actually, when I was at the beach, I said divot, and
Yeah.
Shelby and Camille and Lisa didn't know what divot meant.
That's funny.
Oh, I slid. That wasn't me.
Do some more runs down here. That dirt's too soft.
No, I'm trying. I'm trying to get it flat.
It's too soft.
Actually, go other side. Oh, this is flat. Solid. Oh, I can do that or something.
Now I can't see.
Oh. Ah, it's so loose. Oh. Downhill. Oh, this is a great spot for downhill. Oh no. It's like I'm going down a cliff. Oh my gosh.
Let's get a speed run. Let's see how fast.
Oh, dirt just got in my shoe. Spun out.
That's not a good hill for jumping. Because you just get stuck.
Oh, so I'm just gonna go up it. So slippery. That's the best spot for looking where my practice is. Wait, can I fit in the bucket? Wait, can I even get in?
Nope.
Oh.
Nope. Nope. Oh! So close.
Okay.
You just got to rip the suspension out.
I'm gonna rip the shell off this.
Oh! Bucket!
What was that? Where are the By the way, DL Adventures, this is actually a construction site. Wait, did you say stop getting in the bucket? Or did you mean stop doing it? I'll get that.
What I was trying to tell you to do is stop running full speed over here because you're gonna tear it up.
Dust it off.
Okay. Look from that last. Look at the shell from that last hit. What happened?
I'm not gonna go full speed. I'm just gonna go like a slow.
This isn't something you can hit full speed. That's a solid wall. Dig in.
Yeah, I get a good shot. Oh,
That dirt's just too soft. All right. What do you want to say to everybody?
No, not yet. Because if we can't crawl this, that means we're gonna finish off the video at home with the super.
You know why it doesn't crawl good? Because it's not a crawler. You can be, but guess what? It's not going to work.
Fine.
I know. It does a lot better out in the open.
I'll get that one since you have to get all the corner mushrooms.
No, I'm closer. This ready?
I know, I'm just edit this
Mr. Mark's going to get you. I wanted to make this a video we could post and people could watch today. I don't want to edit it.
Stuck on a stick.
But you're not going to be able to get up there.